Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you two easy ways to quickly delete your download history in Google Chrome. Now, the fastest way you can do this is by simply clicking the three dots on the upper right, click and downloads, guys. And here you will find your download history. And if you look to the upper right hand side, you will see where it says clear all. So you can clear all of your download history right here, right? Clearing it doesn't mean that it's going to delete it from your PC, but it just simply means that you're going to clear it out of your Google Chrome data. Clear those data there so you can have space within the memory in Chrome. So this is one way how to do it. Another way is by clicking the three dots here, go to your history, click on history, then click on history again. Then on the left hand side, go to browsing data. And from this side, you will be able to see all of your browsing data. Now, you can switch to the advanced tab, and here you have download history, and you can simply go ahead and click and download history from here. So if you want to do it like that, you can delete by you can uncheck all of these options as well, and you can delete your download history by clearing that as well, right? If you want to if you want to delete, for example, cache images or any cookies or something, you can always do that. But you can choose the time that you want. So that's going to be last hour or 4 weeks, 7 days, all time. It's up to you. You can quickly delete your download history from here. Now, if you want to delete physical files, clear them up from your download. This is also very easy to do. Just simply open up your download folder on your PC by opening File Explorer, click on Downloads, and here you'll find all of your download history. So all you have to do is just press Ctrl A and select everything if you want to delete everything. Hit the delete button that you see from the top here, or just simply use the key on your keyboard delete, or you can just simply use Shift Delete on your keyboard to delete everything as well. So if you want to use the delete button here, or just simply press delete on your keyboard, or to permanently delete, just press Shift Delete on your keyboard and you will delete files physically on your PC like that. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.